What if the coin sitting in your drawer mistake for a quarter is secretly worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars? That's the story of the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar. Minted for just a few years, dismissed by the public, and quietly pulled from circulation, this small dollar coin has become one of the most fascinating pieces in modern American numismatics. Most people don't even realize they own one, and those who do, they're often stunned by what it can be worth. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar. We will explore its history, its varieties, and its grades, and learn the real-world values that collectors are paying right now. By the end, you'll know if your coin is worth $1 or something extraordinary. Stay with me, because the difference between a common coin and a key variety can be just one tiny detail.
Discover the hidden value. Welcome to CoinsMar.
The 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar didn't arrive without controversy. It was the first U.S. circulating coin to feature a real woman, Susan B. Anthony, the legendary suffragist. She dedicated her life to women's right to vote. The design, created by sculptor Frank Gasper, placed Anthony's portrait on the obverse and an eagle landing on the moon on the reverse, a direct tribute to the Apollo 11 mission. But the public never warmed to it. The coin's size was almost identical to a quarter. Vending machines rejected it. Cashiers confused it. Within just a few years of its debut, the U.S. Mint suspended production. That rejection, though, it turned out to be the coin's greatest asset for collectors. Low circulation meant many examples were preserved in near-pristine condition. And as interest in modern U.S. coinage has grown, the 1978 dollar has climbed steadily in collector demand, especially in top grades and rare varieties. Understanding where this coin came from is the first step to understanding what it's truly worth today. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar was struck at 3 mints: Philadelphia no mint mark, Denver. Each carries different significance in the collector market. The San Francisco Mint produced proof versions of this coin, and that's where values start climbing dramatically. But the single most important variety in the entire series is the 1979 S Type 2 proof, also called the Clear S or Filled S versus Clear S variety, S mint mark. Later that year, the Mint introduced a new, sharper punch that produced a crisp. That Type 2 variety is significantly rarer and commands a strong premium. Beyond the mint marks, die varieties, doubling errors, and off-center strikes add even more. Extraordinary under a loop. Know your mint mark. Know your variety. Because in this series, those two details alone can be the difference between face and a 4-figure sale. Let's talk real numbers, because that's why you're here. Face value $1. Any circulated SBA dollar with heavy wear, 10 to 5 uncirculated Philadelphia or Denver examples and average mint staples, especially 2.5 to MS San Francisco issues. $50 to $200 varieties and top grades. 200 to over 1,000 MS 68s and above. Recent eBay sales data confirms steady demand across the board. Type 2 proof examples are regularly fetching $30 to $80. MS 68 specimens and top pop registry coins, don't let it sit forgotten in a jar. Take a closer look. Check the mint mark. Examine the condition. And if you're sitting on a high-grade example, you may have something genuinely special in your hands. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, drop your coin details in the comments, and subscribe for weekly deep dives into the coins most people overlook and the stories that make them unforgettable.